Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is 23rd of November, friends. Before we proceed, okay, the stocks that were given yesterday were Adani Enterprises for a buy. Okay, it gave a very good opening upwards, gave a retest of this trend line that we had drawn yesterday. Okay, and from here it started going upwards, beautiful target achieved, and then here it made a kind of a inverted head and shoulder pattern, friends, and there is high possibility of it to go further up now. Coming to the sell stock, which was M&M, we discussed that this trend line, break of this trend line can easily give us a target of the bottom. Unfortunately, it did not break this trend line. Our entry was not triggered, and obviously it continued to go upward, friends. What is our view now? If you look at it, this is an important resistance. So if I am drawing a Fibo from this to the bottom is here. We are exactly at 38.2 levels where there is a huge resistance as well. Okay, this kind of a resistance. Okay, you see this resistance, right? Somewhere close to that levels is what we are standing right now. There is high possibility of it to fall. When can the entry be triggered? The entry can be triggered at the breakdown of this trend line, which is in red. Okay, once this breakdown is done, we can go ahead and sell for a target. First target would be this 1221, second target would be this 1213, and final target would be 1007 or 1008, friends. So if you have still not subscribed to the channel, before we proceed to the further part of the video, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing on any updates that I am giving on the channel, friends. Okay, and coming to Nifty, before which let's play our opening music, without which the stocks are not performing, is what I have noticed, friends. Okay, so welcome back to Momentum Stocks, friends. So Nifty, friends, it gave a gap up this morning somewhere here. Okay, and it went ahead and filled this gap, followed by, see, this is your support zone. Okay, I can draw it for you. See, multiple times is what it took support in at this levels, and from here it started moving upwards. It broke the day's high, which was the opening, and started going up. Okay, it created another support zone here. Okay, let's mark it in green so that it is understood that it is support zone. It created another support zone here, multiple touches followed by a breakout. Okay, this was your breakout and a clear upward momentum. Actually, this was the breakout. Okay, look at it carefully. This was your breakout followed by a retest and an upward momentum, friends. Similar was the case with Bank Nifty. Okay, it gave a gap up, filled the gap. Okay, I hope you are able to see this candle. This has filled the gap and upward momentum, clear breakout here, followed by this retest and upward momentum, another breakout like this. This is your level breakout. Okay, followed by further upward momentum. We also filled this gap. So in one day it has filled the downward gap which was here and the upward gap which was here, friends. What next? Simple. We were bullish on the Nifty and Bank Nifty in yesterday's video as well. We are bullish on it even now. So you can see there is a clear cut breakout that has happened and an attempt to go up. Now if you look at this trend line, friends, important trend line, okay, let me delete this and look at this trend line, friends, okay, and also a breakout. So any retest is when we can enter for a upward momentum. What would be our target? Our target would be 42,659. That would be our first target, and that itself is the all-time high almost, friends. Okay. When would we sell? We can create sell positions at break of this particular trend line. Ignore that. Okay, so this is the trend line. If this trend line is broken and retested, that is when we would go ahead and look for selling opportunities. Until then, we are bullish on the market, friends. In Nifty, the story is little different. If you have to choose a selling index, okay, we would be selecting Nifty, not Bank Nifty. And the reason is simple, friends. See, this was a runaway gap that was created on 11th. And since then, I have been telling you that we are still bullish on the market. And see, even till now, today is almost 11 days after that, it has not come and touched this level again, friends. Attempts are there, but it has not yet touched. So if in case there is any bearishness, that's when you can go ahead and choose to sell sell Nifty and not Bank Nifty, friends. And this is one of the trend line now. At the break of this trend line is what we can select Nifty for a sell and not Bank Nifty. I hope I made it very, very clear, friends. Coming to the buy stock for tomorrow. So we are choosing ICICI Bank for buy, friends. Now see, the reason is simple. You can see here, I have selected 5 minutes and there is a clear inverted head and shoulder pattern here that we can see, and there is also a breakout. After the breakout, what has happened is it has gone here and retested the trend line. However, it went further down. Did it go ahead and hit the technical stop loss? The answer is no. Okay, see, this was the low, which is 992, and technically it turned from 990 to 63, it started going upwards. Now looking at this pattern, and we are also seeing a big trend line break here. Okay, see, this was a big trend line break, after which this pattern was formed. Okay, that is the reason I am giving it for a buy. To be on a safer side, what can be done is we can wait for this trend line to be broken, friends. I'll show you. This is the trend line that we can wait for a break, after which is what you can select it for a buy. Aggressive buyers can go ahead and select or create buy positions right at this levels as well. Coming to the sell stock, which is Bajaj Auto, friends. What has happened in Bajaj Auto is simple, friends. Let me show you. Okay, it is, you can see that it is continuously in a downtrend. Okay, now look at this area, friends. This is your support line, which was broken, and this will now act like a resistance. And where are we? We are exactly here. So after breaking the support here, let me draw it. After breaking the support, it has come back to retest this support, which is now acting like a resistance. So you can see red candles forming here. So there is high chance of going down. When can we create sell positions? We can create sell positions at this resistance line, even little above that, and we can expect two targets for him. First target would be 2621, and final target would be around 3602. So this would be 3631. I'm sorry, not 2631. 3621, and final target would be 3600, friends. Little above that. I hope you understood the logic behind sell on Bajaj Auto, logic behind buy on ICICI Bank, and we are still bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we would be creating buy positions and we would be creating sell positions if the market is going negative in Nifty, friends. I hope you understood the logic, and if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing out on any videos, friends. And we are closing our video with our closing music. Thanks for watching, friends, and wish you a profitable tomorrow.